Well, we waited a whole day till 6 p.m. here in Paris, and we were hoping the verdict will come, but it did not, and it has been delayed again till 16th August, 6 p.m. The Vinesh Phogat versus UWW and IOC case, and as it stands, every minute detail is being checked into, and
Yes.
I think it's a positive sign for India.
Absolutely. I think the fact that CAS has not jumped to a conclusion shows that they are actually, checking every single thing, and which is where it makes me hopeful, because then you can actually see the loopholes in the rules. Yes, there are rules, and rules have been followed, but there are so many loopholes in the rules that, Rohan, if we keep talking about, then it just keeps cropping up.
Every law has loopholes,
Absolutely.
and such instances in every law, whether it's sports, whether it's corporate, whether it's criminal, every law comes a new. Every such situation give rise to a different change in the law,
Absolutely.
and such situations are given as examples of future references. So I
Absolutely.
think we are heading for a positive sign. But usually, I'll ask one question: that in all this mess and all the happenings that is been going on, what is the positive change that you have seen in Indian sporting spectrum?
I think the biggest positive is Vinesh is being celebrated, even though she does not actually have the medal, because she deserves to be
Yet.
celebrated. Actually have the medal yet.
Yes.
Absolutely. She won fair and square, and I cannot stress on the fact more. And I keep saying fair and square because I was there in the bout, The other wrestler had no chance. Can't believe she has a silver now, the Cuban wrestler. But anyway, getting back to the point, I think what I'm feeling good about is the fact that Vinesh is being celebrated. The other positive is, I think Vinesh was an inspiration always. But Vinesh has set this whole tone that if you want things to change, if you want something badly, you can do it. A, mental strength, B, the courage. Can you believe it, Rohan? The kind of courage that Vinesh must have had to, have to go to CAS to appeal,
Yeah.
because IOA came in later. IOA gave her all the support. That is that is absolutely perfect. But to be in that mental state, because we were upset, we went to cover other sport, but all the time we were like, this day is not good because of the whole Vinesh thing. Think of what Vinesh Phogat must be going through. Everything that she has done in her life, her career, suddenly with such a jolt.
Exactly, and it was quite brave and intelligent on her behalf that
Absolutely.
she has made the move right on time, because we have seen other examples where players missed out on opportunities because he or she was late in filing the complaint. So it was absolutely fantastic on
I
her
think
behalf.
the statement is,
Yeah.
if we can do anything till that last moment, hang on to that last thread. I think that's what Vinesh has done. And what do you think? What are you seeing as the positive in this case?
For now, yes, it's tiring. It's taxing to be waiting day and again. But also on the positive side, I'm just, as we discussed, that if CAS had to jump into the guns and give the decision, it would have been given by now.
Absolutely.
So the fact that they are delaying day and again, and which reminds me of that famous Hindi film dialogue, I won't say that.
Tariq pe tariq, tariq pe tariq. Yeah.
So Tariq pe Tariq is happening because they are looking into every minute details, trying to find out what are the options that nullifies that law, the stated law which is there, and we can change it. So I think that whatever decision comes out on, hopefully on 16th August, and it is not delayed further, it will be a historic one, because it will lead to the change in the law of the game.
Absolutely.
For the betterment of the game.
Absolutely. And I think the change is important, but also now that you are saying that there will be a change in law. So my question to you, Rohan, is, if you are changing something, you are saying that it needs improvement. If the law needs improvement according to that, then Vinesh deserves that silver.
Of course. And if Vinesh gets a silver, then the law will be changed. That is,
Or the other way around as well.
Yeah.
If you are saying that the law needs to be changed, which means you are saying that Vinesh deserves that silver.
absolutely. And so it's a win-win for all of us, for the sport especially, because now it's Vinesh, but there are other athletes also who have suffered in the past, and will keep on suffering if it goes on like this. Because there is, if you see, there was 8 hours gap between the weight
Absolutely.
weight being taken and the bout. So they were. We heard from reports in the morning live also yesterday that the Indian officials actually had to beg the IOC officials to give them 30 minutes extra. So you can't give 30 minutes extra for an Olympic medal bout.
Absolutely.
So I think these rules, the rigidity of the rules have to be changed, and something of a more flexible sort should be.
And I think this will not be for wrestling alone, for boxing, for wrestling, for every event where the weight category is important, where the weight is taken before the bout. The whole, this is historic in more ways than we can even imagine. I feel
it will go down in the history books, in the sports history.
Absolutely, and that is where I'm saying that for me, Vinesh was always an inspiration because of the way she has fought, because of the way she has stood for her own self. But right now, she has just given me a sort of courage, which makes me feel that anything goes wrong, it gives me that courage that we should try everything that is there in our hands to get it right. And I think I don't know. As I said, it's win-win for us in both situations, because if they give silver and ask the UWW to change the rules, perfect. If they don't give us silver, then the answers, then the questions are further like, how can the wrestlers who lost to Vinesh still get a repechage round? Because you are supposed to get a repechage round when you have two finalists, you have lost two finalists.
Lost to finalists, yes.
And the Cuban wrestler actually lost the gold medal match, lost the semi-final match, yet she has a silver. I mean, unfair. I would say unfair. But then again, I think the most important thing, more beyond this Olympics being fair, unfair, is what happens in the future.
Absolutely, and Vinesh has always mentioned about the future, that even when the Misha was happening in Jantar Mantar, she has mentioned that she is fighting that battle for the future of the athletes and
she has kept her word.
Yeah, she has kept her word, and she is an inspiration. But as of now, as it stands, the verdict has been delayed till 16th August. My bad, 16th August. 16th. I hope that's not true.
Yeah, if that comes true, then I mean
16th August, 6 p.m. Fingers crossed, the verdict comes out in favor of Vinesh Phogat, and we will be here in Paris only, because anyway we were supposed to come back for the Paralympics, so we are extending the stay, and
we are not here till 16th August. We are here now till the end of Paralympics. Please, yes, please.
Just give the verdict by the end of Paralympics.
Yeah.
That's all for now. Signing off, Rohan Chaudhary, Trisha Ghoshal from Paris. Fingers crossed for now. Thank you so much.